Welcome to my both Excel and Power BI analytics. So today we're going to actually be doing this particular call center analysis in Power BI and as well in Excel. Let me just take you to Excel environment to see what is going on right on Excel. On Excel, this is the home page of what we have right here. So now we're going to go to the table version, and if I scroll down, you can see more about what the agent progress based on the call that actually came in. And right here we have the team leaders and all of that. So you can click right here and you go back home. I'm going to take you to the dashboard area right in here, and this is what we have. You can actually play the filter to see how it is going, and you see everything just get a filter, and now we have the trend based on the monthly basis right in here. So now if you want to see more, click right here. You will definitely see more about the structure. You can have it actually closed and all that. So now we can actually get to hide this away from the view. Okay, now here we go. Now let's go back to Power BI and see what we have beautiful on Power BI that is different than what we have in Excel, though we have them similar but different software to just tell us stories. So we can filter through what we have right here, and we have everything just get to some kind of filter down to what we have just clicked on based on the month we have just selected. And now we can go to this particular table inside, just like what we have in Excel. We have something as beautiful as this, and we can filter through all this, and we can as well filter through based on visual. Like right now, if we filter through this table right now, we can see all the agent on that is particular team leader that just get to show us. So now this is what it is. So you can actually filter this, and you get to see who is the agent, the team leader of this particular agent right here. And this is what it is. So now what about if we go back? If you want to go back home, click on your control and actually click on this particular home. You will now go back to what? We'll now go back to our main home page. Beautiful. Now what about this matrix right here? My goodness, I think this is gonna be some kind of beautiful. Let us see what is gonna go on right in here. Boom, this is what we get. So now when we are trying to analyze data, it is sometimes not always about the charts we use, but how we use shapes to actually tell story that makes data to be much more interested to be read by the end users and stuff like that. So this is what we have right here. It's very beautiful. You can see all about that. So it's not actually some kind of chart and stuff whatsoever, but it's all about shapes and how to use that particular shape to convey messages. So now we can filter through this particular visual right here. We get everything just filtered down to what we have just clicked and all of that. So now what if we would actually go ahead and filter based on month? Click on it. We are going to be filtering this based on the month we have selected and based on this particular team leader we have on our selection. That is beautiful. On the same Power BI version, here are the top 10s based on call received, call accepted, and based on call accepted on monthly basis. And now those are the percentage the top 10 just added. There are lots we can do right with Power BI and Excel, so we're going to be going detail by detail on the both softwares we've just used to actually get this data analyzed. So now if you've not been a subscriber on my YouTube channel before now, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because we're going to be doing a lot. So right, just click on the subscribe button. You will definitely enjoy this particular channel with a lot of analytics. Okay, if you're not using Excel 365, we have this particular amazing icons for you to just take a look at. And if you're not using Excel 2019 as well, you wouldn't have access to actually get this particular privilege to download from illustration. Then go to icons, and you're gonna have this on. Make sure you are connected to the internet. You will definitely have a lot of this kind of icons being used. But right now I have this free for you. Just go ahead and download and take a look at how you can actually utilize this to create something like amazing dashboard, just like what we have right here. So if you've not hit the subscribe button, go ahead and do that, because I'm going to be dropping this video by and by while you follow up on the creation. So give it a thumbs up, hit that little bit right there to just make sure you get notification every single time I drop a new video. And as we create along, keep actually leaving a comment is always welcome.